In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for PenFed Credit Card. We'll walk through the page you need, what to click, and the key factors that can make or break your approval, all in clear, simple steps. Start by heading to the PenFed Credit Card approval page in your browser. Once you're there, open the section titled How to Get Approved for PenFed Credit Card. This is your hub for the official guidance and the practical tips we'll use. Next, open the part that covers what the official eligibility criteria say. Read this carefully. Lenders update requirements from time to time, so make sure you're looking at the most current details. You'll usually see references to your credit profile, your identity verification, and your overall ability to repay. Understanding these basics sets the right expectations before you submit anything. From there, click into the credit level information and look for good/excellent credit. That phrase is a signal that stronger profiles are more likely to be approved. Think of it as a combination of a clean payment history, low revolving balances relative to limits, and stable accounts over time. Now move into the tips designed to improve your approval odds. Start with checking your credit score and full credit reports. Review all three bureaus if you can. Look for errors, unfamiliar accounts, high utilization, and any recent delinquencies. Dispute inaccuracies and bring balances down where possible before applying. Review your income next. PenFed wants to see steady, verifiable income so you can comfortably repay what you charge. Make sure the income you list is accurate and consistent with your documentation. Keep your debt levels manageable. Lowering your debt-to-income ratio and reducing credit card utilization both help your profile look stronger. Paying down balances and avoiding new debt before applying can make a noticeable difference. Avoid stacking too many recent applications. Multiple inquiries in a short period can signal risk, even if you're otherwise solid. Give your credit profile time to breathe between applications. If available, try PenFed's pre-qualification tool. It's a soft inquiry, so it won't affect your score, and it can give you a sense of where you stand. Just remember that pre-qualification isn't a final approval. Be sure you're a PenFed member, or be ready to become one during the process. Membership can often be created as you apply, so follow the prompts and have your identification details ready. Finally, time your application wisely. If you were denied recently or your report shows fresh issues, pause, improve, and then reapply. A little patience can lead to a much better outcome. Follow these steps, take your time, and you'll put yourself in the best position for a PenFed credit card approval.